welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing, and if you want to see what's in this little old box, then keep on watching. Y'all know I said I wasn't going to be buying any more high-end iPhone cases, but the reason why I purchased this is because the company sent me an email and said if you complete the survey, we will give you 50% off of anything on our website. And I was like, okay. So of course I got suckered in. I did the survey, and of course they sent me the coupon code for me to receive 50% off of any of their cases on their website. It is an iPhone case. If you don't know, I do have the iPhone 10. I did come from the 7 Plus, and I went down, well, I upgraded to the 10. And I don't miss the 7 Plus because of the fact that it was a bigger phone. I did like the 7 Plus. It's not that I hated the 7 Plus, but since I have the 10, I really like the 10 a whole lot better. It does take better pictures, in my opinion. This is the 7 Plus. Also, the reason why I didn't get the 8 Plus was because the fact that the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus looked exactly the same. So when I got the 10, it was like I got a whole new design of a phone, because an iPhone, because I have been with Apple since the beginning of time. And if you ever notice, all their phones kind of look the same. It was just always a little tweak of something different, but most of the time they always look the same. So when the 10 came out, it was just like a whole complete new design. So that's why I jumped on the iPhone 10. I heard that they're supposed to be coming out with new iPhones, not sure what. Always say, oh no, I'm not going to get it this time, I'll pass. So as of now, I'm probably going to stick with my iPhone 10, because again, I don't want the 10 Plus. Like I said, I always accumulate all these cases, and then when they come out with these new phones, I'm stuck with them. So I'm happy with my iPhone 10, so I don't think I'll be upgrading when the new phones come out, and I'm loving it. Now I will say I have had issues with my phone glitching a lot. I don't know why. Any of y'all have the iPhone 10? Let me know down in the comment section if y'all have had any of those problems as well. A lot of times, like my phone will freeze on me. Sometimes it'll just shut down in the middle of me on FaceTime or checking emails and stuff. I don't know what's that all about. I know my 1-year warranty will be up, I think sometime in October, November. So I may take it to the Apple store just so they can check it out, just to make sure, because after the year, you know, I won't be able to, anything wrong with the phone, it'll be out of pocket versus it's being covered under warranty. So again, you guys, I'm just rambling. So let me just get started with the unboxing. I have purchased this case before, and it is the Lumee case. This, I think, in the 7 and the 6 and the 7 Plus. I love this case so much, y'all. Purchased this back when I think I had the 6. The case kind of was like new, so they kind of redid the cases a lot, because when I first got it, it was like real bulky and they scratched easily or whatever. So now, I'm a Lumee fan since day one. These cases are expensive, but like I said, I justify my purchase because I did receive a 50% off coupon. This iPhone case retails for, I want to say $69.99. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it across the screen, but I know it's 69 something. 50% off, only paid like 30 something dollars. Picked this, what is it, the pearl case. Not the marble, because it's like everybody has the marble, like everything is marble, marble, marble. So I just wanted to be a little different, so I did purchase the white pearl. Not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure if my lights are washing it out. Say I do love Lumee cases because, like I said, I am a selfie queen, picture queen, whatever. I love taking pictures. I just love everything about picture taking, video taking. That's just what I do. Evidently, y'all know, because that's why I do YouTube videos. But yeah, I love capturing, you know, really good pictures with good quality light. The iPhone 10 does have a light on there, but of course this Lumee light, for some reason, it's just beautiful, y'all. I first had the Lumee way back when the case was like bulky and it was easy to scratch. So I guess they kind of revamped their cases, so now they're not as thick like they used to be. I mean, they are a little thick, but not as thick as they used to be when they first came out. So yeah, here is the case here. Hopefully you can see it. It is beautiful, y'all. It's like a white pearl. The case that lights up in the front and the back, if you can see it. But yeah, and here's the front. Like, look at that light, y'all. Here and place my iPhone 10 in the case. So here is the light. And I'm going to take a few pictures just so y'all can see. Okay, here's the picture here. I will try and insert some picture clips that I have taken with the iPhone 10 camera. I mean, with the Lumee case. Like I said, I love the case. And you can, all you do, that was my mirror with the speaker. Again, is you press this button here on the back and you can dim it and make it brighter by holding it. So as you can see, it's dimming down and back up. So as you can see, I have a lot of light, so you may not see it as much. But y'all, this case is just everything. Like I said, if you're a picture taker or like taking pictures for your social media or whatever, even just your regular pictures, this case is a must because it just really brightens your face up really nice. I just love Lumee cases. If you've been following my channel, you know I have been purchasing Lumee cases for a while now. So yeah, you guys, that is my Lumee case, and I will show you again, insert some shots of the iPhone, of the case, just so you can see it, because like I said, I'm not sure if the lights are washing anything out. Get your charging cord. Now this is new. I have a lanyard where you can hook this up on the side where you can. Now when I first purchased my Lumee case way back when, they didn't have this little feature. I would use this, but you know, like if you want to have this on your phone, it's secure where your phone won't fall or anything like that. So it's like a lanyard. So I guess when you go taking pictures, you can actually have that security around your wrist. It's like this little ball thing here where you can like tighten it, so while you taking pictures, you have that security. So you know, the phone, if it do drop, you got this where it will, you know, break its fall, where it won't actually fall out your hand. It'll, you know, it's still on your wrist. So I do like that feature, but whatever. But then again, I don't know, I may keep this on, because again, it'll help break my fall if I'm trying to take a picture and forget that, you know, if it slide out my hand, you know, like I said, it's secure because it's on my wrist. Also comes with your adapter where you charge your charge your phone. Start noticing that the light is dim or it's not working, you just plug it up to your computer. And then you also have your instructions. And then I got a Dear Value Customer, a family coupon code. Not sure if I'll be placing an order for any other cases, because like I said, I only placed this order because I had the 50% off coupon. Yeah, that's it. Because last time when I purchased this case, I upgraded to the iPhone 10, and it was like that iPhone case went to waste. So I think I did sell it. I'm not sure. I think I did sell it though, but of course I couldn't sell it for the full value because it was used. It wasn't in bad condition, but anytime you sell stuff, you know, sometimes people don't want to pay full price, because if so, they can just go to the website and, you know, purchase their own. Was everything. Like I said, I just wanted to share my brand new Lumee case, y'all. I love it so much. I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing one. And I tell you, if you never had a Lumee case and you like taking pictures and selfies, this is a game changer, y'all. You know, I wouldn't lie to you. I only share what I love. Here we go. And I just wanted to, before I go, I just wanted to share really quick. I just purchased these Jimmy Choo sunglasses. I didn't want to do a whole separate video because it was just the sunglasses. It is the Jimmy Choo case. These are my first time ever purchasing Jimmy Choos. And here is your cleaning cloth with the Jimmy Choo on the front. Oh, these glasses are cute. Look at that. They got the diamond look on the side. They're not real diamonds, I guess rhinestones or whatever you want to call it. It's on both sides. A black and gold. Y'all, these things are, woo, y'all, these things are cute. Like, yes, I know the summertime is almost over, but I love a good pair of sunglasses, y'all. I'm like if I could get every sunglass that I fall in love with, I would. These are really, really cute. It has like a mirror tint on them. Again, I'll try and insert some close-ups. So again, I just wanted to throw this in with this Lumee case unboxing, because like I said, it was just the sunglasses. You'll find the link for these. I will link them down below. These at Lenox Mall in the actual store. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click that notification bell so you can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And if you're new to my channel, hey y'all, I hope you are here to stay. Click, like I said, click on that subscribe button because it helps on my channel. I hope you love the videos that I put out. I upload once a week, which is Sunday at 4, and then sometimes I'll put out a bonus video throughout the week. So again, I hope you have a wonderful week, and until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.